Creating content in one language and then having the ability to convert it into multiple languages is a powerful way to connect with your audience globally. In this lecture, I will show you how you can do that. Here, we are going to learn how to translate your designs into another language by using Canva's Magic Switch capabilities. Once you are on a page with text or information you want to translate, simply select Magic Switch on the top bar. Then, click on Translate. Next, you have the option to select the language you want to translate into. Canva supports more than 100 languages, which is fantastic by the way. In our case, let us go for Chinese Simplified. Then, you can choose the pages where you want the translation to occur. This can be your entire presentation or a single page. Lastly, an important step is to decide whether to translate within this existing design by overriding the content, or if you prefer, create a new copy. A copy is created by default unless you tickmark the override box. Now whenever you are ready, click on Translate. You will immediately see your chosen text or your chosen content is translated into the language of your choice. Now, there is also another way to approach translation if you want to get more granular and nitty-gritty with specific page details. Go ahead and select a text element you like. Then, click on the three dots and pick the Translate Text option. This will enable a whole new menu on the left-hand side. There, you have few additional options. You can pick the combination of text box you want to translate, or you can also go to Setting tabs, where you can select the option to resize fonts when a translation does not fit a design. The rest remains the same as we have discussed earlier, and then all you need to do is click on the Translate button. Amazing, right? That's the magic of Canva Magic Switch. I will see you in another one.